St. James have become the best place right now in St. James.
Why I am confident and why I feel so good about this campaign is that for the first time in Jamaica, a government can go to the people with performance. I am not saying we are perfect. No, we're not perfect. But if you compare us to the competition, we are way ahead of the competition. It is, for me, an ease of mind to go and face the public wherever in Jamaica. Because I know that after I speak and you go home and you read the performance book, you are at peace in your mind. You have to conclude, this government deserves a third term. This government works for a third term. Government continues.
That's why I say solely